This is it. Y'all, this is it right here.
Say man, we all about $1. Say man, we all about this business. Say man, you know we about our business. Say man, it's a box truck thing. Say man, it's a business thing. Say man, we all about $1. It's business thing. We up in here. Business thing. You know we up in here.
What it is, y'all? It's your boy Lando, and I am the Mando. Check this out. Today we in the lab. The kitchen, of course, right? I'm cooking one of my favorite dish. Easy, simple. Anybody can cook it. But it's one of my favorite dishes. It's a Jamaican dish, of course. And yeah. Y'all tap in, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go see Chef Lando whip it up. That's right. Yeah. Salt fit. Nah, you know what? I ain't gonna tell you what it is. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Good salt fish.
See that? So much. Good black pepper, man. Hold up. We dropping dumplings now, baby. The kitchen ain't messy. We ain't cooking. You know what I'm saying? The wood off. This done right here. Yeah. Dumpling king. Yeah. Yes, sir. This is it right here, though. See right here. You know, I already started munching in. Chef Lando, y'all better stop playing with me. You said you didn't want much. She getting mad because I give her a little bit. She said she didn't want much. That's because she ate already. This is it. Y'all, this is it right here. Look, appreciate y'all for watching, man. Thanks for cooking with me today, you know. I might start dropping some cooking videos on y'all. Perfect dumpling this, you know. This is perfect dumpling. Everybody can't make dumpling, I'm telling you that right now. But make sure you subscribe, like, and share. It's your boy Lando, and I am the Boom!